Hello, this is Rofish, and I'm going to show you a quick idea of how the new immutable facts, or just regular facts, is going to work. I'm just going to go over a quick idea of how it's going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a weapon and display it as a type on the page. Maybe have some special information, but it also has basic facts like how much offense and stuff that it does. So the first thing we do is find what we want, and I'm going to use the Casey bat, as shown right here in the walkthrough. So what we do is we need to go to the fact types here in the Uber CMS, and we need to create a new fact type. We're going to call it a weapon. Click submit, and it creates the fact. It just creates the name. What you really need to do is give the fact different data it can use. For example, the buy price, we're just going to call it buy. It's a whole number. We're going to create a new fact called sell. That's going to be the sell price. And offense. Write a whole number. And accuracy. Did I spell accuracy? We're going to call it, actually we're just going to call it miss. And we're actually going to make that a decimal number. Alright, so we created our weapon. And our weapon has a buy price, a sell price, how much offense it gives, and the miss. Oops, didn't mean to click that. And then how much it misses. So we go back to the weapon. We go to edit data, and there's no weapon data. But that's cool because we can go to create new weapon. So what's its name? Casey bat. Notice how you don't have to give a fact type a name, because you're always giving a fact a name. That makes sort of sense. And then we just go through and put the data in. So buy price is 38, not 98, 38. Sell price is 19. It raises your offense by 125, but you miss 75% of the time. So you click submit, and there you go. Notice that it puts this data in there. Now that we've done that, we have to create a style template. This is kind of hard to explain, but just kind of bear with me here. You go to the styles. Notice we have different styles here, but we can create a new style, and we're going to call it a character weapon. And a character weapon has regular weapon data. It floats left. There's other different types of display. I haven't done it yet. And then you just input the Hamel text, in which case we're going to... Hamel is something a little complicated, but we'll just bear with me here, and we're just going to go through a real basic scenario. So the buy price, in this case, has a $, and then it's the fact.buy. It's the fact, then a period, and then what you named it, in which case it would be fact.buy. Then there's the sell price, fact.sell, and then offense, which has the offense gain. And what else was there? Oh, the miss percentage. Fact.miss. So when you do that and save it, it will show the weapon data for a character weapon on the left. Now you can have other elements on the page. I haven't really defined how that's going to work, but for now, that's just going to how it works. So how you create a page is you go here. Notice here it has the mother2 section, whatever. And then, why is that doing that? But whatever. We go to enemy. Actually, we'll go to weapons, KC, bat. Alright, so you notice how we go into this page here. That's kind of how we are, or you can even go to items. How you actually go to different pages is you actually just type in the URL to make the page. Kind of like how Wikipedia does. And then it doesn't say, oh, look elsewhere, or you can create the page. Create the page, and then we're going to use the Renaissance layout. We're going to call it a character weapon. Now here's the important part. The name of your page has to be the same name as your weapon. When you do that, this is the wiki style. I haven't defined it yet, but I'll probably redefine it later. But it misses a lot, which creates a box called it misses a lot. But also notice it takes the real data that you entered here and then puts it on the side. So that way you don't have to edit that in the wiki. It's actually just there for you already. So that's just kind of a basic example how to do this. So if you have any questions, just feel free to post on the topic.